I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. When I finally got sober, about 10 years older, but hey, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spent it on girls and shoes. You don't wanna be high like me, never really know right like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster, you're alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage singing, stuck up on that stage singing. All I know is sad song, and darling, all I know is sad song. I get along with old timers cause my name's a reminder of a pop song people forgot. I can't keep it going, no, cause as soon as the sun comes up I cut them all loose and work's my excuse, but the truth is I can't open up. You don't wanna be high like me, never really knowing why like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster, be out alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never knowing who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage singing, stuck up on that stage singing. All I know is sad song, and darling,